I forgot to do an intro vlog. So here's the content from yesterday. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Ben.
You got me up here too.
Yeah.
Oh! So we used my mom's truck to get the dishwasher. Me and Alyssa found all the way up the stairs. So here it is. It's actually really nice. It don't look that bad. We have to put on this thing so it can hook up. And when we remove the old one, look at that. Here's Leppy sleeping in the sun in the dog chair. Oh, come on, Athena. Yeah, puppy.
On the other hand, until I hand this disc off to Sands, I can...
So now we're headed to New York lunch for some wieners for dinner. Yep. So this is it right here. That's New York lunch. That's where we're going. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. This is my large cheesy fry from New York lunch. So that's it for yesterday's vlog. I probably won't do a vlog tomorrow because it's gonna be a Hearthstone day and just me and the dog inside all day, or like maybe a small walk, I don't know. Thanks for watching.